Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check emergency alert history in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings and here select safety and emergency, and here select emergency alert history, and here no previous alerts showing. Okay, so no history is available. What are all the emergency alert that you have done from your phone that can be seen here? Okay, so click on this three dots and click on settings. Here you can set alerts. Several alerts are already available. It is turned on. Okay, so if you are in any emergency situation and if someone helped you, that situation that will be recorded here, and it will be showing that emergency alert history. Okay, so as of now I don't have that emergency alert history in my phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily check how many times you have already gone to the emergency situation and helped by others. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.